What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Emily Big Mill coming at y'all with another dope video.
I need a thin beat, I need a project beat, I need a rap beat. Pretty bitch, she sloppy like a savage. I don't want this bitch, I want that beat. Don't let me drag that pussy up in high fashion. Real got a bitch, she bad, she porn star bitch, gotta fuck me like a...
But today's video is going to be a long, highly requested hair tutorial video. Y'all been like, do a hair tutorial, do a hair tutorial, do a hair tutorial. So now I'm doing it for y'all, okay? So y'all better run this up. Follow me on all socials at what? amillymmarie. Don't motherfucking play with me. Comment any other hair tutorials y'all would want me to do or y'all want to see, or any other videos like y'all have in mind. I really have videos, but I don't know if y'all finna fuck with them because y'all be wishy-washy. Y'all really not messing with me like that. So run this up if you really are. Anyways, let's get into this video. So the first things y'all are going to need is all these combs. This, you need a detangle to get the knots out, an edge brush if you want to do your edges. I know mine is a little, but they work better, and I know all the black girls know. And a parting comb, a slick back brush, and ponytail holder. Then you'll need some gel. And mind you, I have the small one with me because I'm at my dad's house and I can't be bringing things like that when I'm going back and forth. And then some edge booster. This is my favorite one, coconut banana. It smells so bomb. Then a spray bottle. Y'all, my other spray bottle freaking broke. My cousin, she broke it. And I'm like, girl, what are you doing? She didn't even give me no money. Like, girl, how raggedy can you be? Anyways, then I got this. Oh, by the way, the water bottle is filled with conditioner and water. This is from 99-cent store. Y'all are sleeping on the 99 if y'all did not know that they carry this stuff. So I'm gonna spray my hair with water. Ooh. Ooh, okay. You, let me cater to you. You and me cater to I wanna let you know that I am what you do. I need to reassure you my love will be purposeless without you. If I want it, I'm gonna ask you. Then I'm gonna apply this just so the gel that I'm using, because I use gel a lot, I don't want that to really dry my hair, so I'm gonna add this on top. It do be turning white a little bit, but you know what? It's just gonna have to work. So now that your hair's all prepped, you're going to want to part. If you have a long oval head, you can part it straight like this. And then just do that. That looks cute, but still bring it swoop. But for me, I'm out of breath. But for me, I like to go like this, so that it curves a bit. I don't know how to explain it, but let me part it real quick, and y'all gonna see what I mean. This is what I'm talking about. If y'all want to do it like this, a swoop, okay? Now we're gonna wet it again. You want to wet the front so that it lays down. You're gonna take your comb or brush or whatever you got and, comb it through.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in. I got a lot of enemies who used to be my friends. Hold me up before and I feel like myself again. Blow me up some dope and I feel like myself again.
So now that your hair is detangled, like on the top, you're gonna add gel. You can add as much gel or as little gel as you need. Make sure you get the back, because a lot of people be forgetting that back and they be all bumpy and lumpy. It could have like 1 or 2 lumps, but if you have like 7 lumps, You need to work on that. So now take your brush and slick it.
Wait, shake that don't, that don't, that don't, that don't, shake that don't, that don't, that don't, that don't, shake that don't, that don't, that don't, that don't, shake that don't, that don't, that put a little more bounce to it. Shake that don't, 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 shake that don't,
Use your rat tail comb to slick it more.
Ayo, Smalls, turn up for me, bruh. Ayo, Smalls, turn up for me, bruh.
So after you're done doing that, you're gonna take your edge brush and your edge booster and try to fix the swoop that's in the front. Now, time for the edges. I like to do my sideburns. A lot of girls, they do this too, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Just slip them right here. You could do yours in a bun or leave it in a ponytail. I like doing mine in a bun. Like this. So, yeah. Don't mind the mess in the background, y'all, but this is cute. This is how it looks. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I love making videos for y'all. Hopefully y'all fuck with it, okay? I'm not trying to cuss on here. Follow me on all socials at what? amillymmarie, the motherfucking hot commodity. Don't play with me, okay? Thank y'all for 500 subscribers. That's like half 1,000. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to get notified when a dope bitch posts. Okay? Yeah, bye y'all.